Good morning, everybody. It's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt's Rush Truck Centers here in Greeley, Colorado. Beautiful morning here in the Front Range of Colorado. Got a little dusting of snow on the mountains last night, especially above timberline. So mountains look beautiful again with a little white on them. Just got back from the Peterbilt factory yesterday. That place is amazing, and they keep doing improvements down there that just look fantastic. Gorgeous. Got a beautiful truck here today for delivery. Schneider Trucking. It's a 2025 Peterbilt 589 extended hood with a 72-inch flat top. And this is in the legendary package. And how you can tell that just at a glance is it's got the polished stainless steel fenders. But most importantly, it's got that Peterbilt with the two spears on each end of the hood. That's the old original Peterbilt logo there. That's probably going to wind up get one of those and put it on my toolbox. So beautiful truck here, 280-inch wheelbase. The polish job's great. Everything's excellent on this truck. We did do a wet kit, added a wet kit to it for what they haul. They needed it. Sliding rear window, deep tint, outboard mounted fifth wheel, 11R 22.5s on it. Did the Michelin XDN2s with the all aluminum wheels with the Peterbilt holes. Low air leaf suspension, full lockers. You can see that right here. These are full lockers. Just a gorgeous truck. Guys really like these Michelin XDN2s, especially in the colder climates. The thermal flow 934. That's what powers your wet kit. Got a 150 tank on the other side and a 120 on this side. And whoever was doing the polishing at Peterbilt that day did a really good job. Bunk heater. I really liked it. Much better than the old one. Tank heaters. I think Larry and Derek decided they're gonna pull off this polished part and put on some lights and some breather lights. And these are 13-inch. It's the biggest you can get now is the 13-inch breathers because of the width. And those are right out there. And actually, if you look, you can see that they kind of French them in, cut them into this front cowling of the cab. So rectangular holes, which goes all the way back to the old 359 model. You can see that up here too. Now we did add 4 extra lights on the top there. We had 3 in the middle and 1 on each outside, and we added 2 and 2 to give it 9 to make it look balanced. Let's see if we can pull this. Air-ride steer axle. That helps a lot, especially with your tire wear. You'll get a lot more miles out of your steer tires. Cummins X15. And here's where you kind of really see the difference. See how that windshield kind of sticks out forward over the engine? It almost doesn't look like an extended hood from the side because that windshield is so prominent. What is it? 565 2050 torque. Davco fuel filter. And I always do the dual leveling valves that each side has one. So if you got a hard side wind or something, it'll compensate. It'll adjust. Did an aftermarket visor. I don't know what brand of visor that is. I forgot to ask. But take you inside. You get the old school logo inside as well. Beautiful interior and so much more room, especially right here. We'll show you that in a second. So you will see how hard that the hood slopes in right there. That's your biggest difference when you're sitting here in the passenger seat and when you're looking out, is you don't have a two-piece windshield, you just have a one-piece windshield. Looks very similar, but it's not the same. Power windows, heated mirrors. We went with the navigation system on this one. Automatic climate control, AM, FM, CD player, 18 speed, Uniden factory CB, and you can bring up some other gauges here. When that goes off, that noise goes off again, I'll show you what we're doing here. We got full lockers and all those, PTO switch, and air suspension dump. Get the Peterbilt logo, old school, in the seat. And like I said, here's the big difference. Lots of room between here. Way more than the old 389 had. A lot more automotive technology in this cab. The 72-inch flat top feels open. Okay, so I want to show you what we're in a closet over here. TV mount is very nice and a flat top. A place up here for a microwave. Don't have much room over here. And then you got a little shelf to stuff things up above with a net. Very nice. So, absolutely gorgeous truck. And the 72-inch flat top, a lot more room in it than previously. So what it is with this no idle engine shutdown. Now, all you got to do is touch anything, a brake, the throttle, anything like that, it goes away. What that is mandatory by the EPA. You got to put at least 3,000 miles on a truck and then you can turn that off. So the service department can do that for you. So don't let that freak you out that that's going to be that way forever. It's 3,000 miles, then you can turn it off. So I believe it also goes away if you engage the PTO. So nice pull out over here. So you can put an iPad or something like that over there, a small computer. Just beautiful, beautiful truck. One thing we're struggling, there it goes again, see? See? And you're good. One thing we're struggling with on these is getting a air horn put on them. It's a bigger cab. You'd think there'd be more room to put air horns in underneath, and you cannot. They are tough to find a place to put them. So I just thought I'd share this one with you. Great customer of ours, Schneider Trucking. Gorgeous truck. This is my first 589 flat top. So, hope you guys like it. If you're running around Colorado, you may see these guys up in northeast Colorado. Good looking truck. If you guys want to order one of these right now, as of October of 2024, only about 6 to 8 weeks to get one of these in there. So very quick and easy to get them in. So it's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt's Rush Truck Center, Greeley, Colorado. 970-691-3877. Call or text. Text is a lot of times even better than calling. But we'll be glad to order one of these for you. Any color you want. Any engine, tranny, whatever we need to do. So take care. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys.